This is the chart that every rich person understands and most people never see. And once you see it, you cannot unsee it. Your entire view of money changes, starting right now. I want to show you guys one of the most important charts, not only in investing, but this is a chart that everyone needs to understand. It's so important, and you will soon understand why. And the slide here I call the cash is trash reality. And why do I say that cash is trash? Well, the simple answer for this is that inflation makes the cash in your pocket worth less every single year. And this right here is one of the main reasons to invest your money. So now I want you guys to focus on this chart right here. This chart is the M2 money supply, or in very simple words, this is basically the amount of US dollars that exists. So this right here is the total amount of US dollars. And as you can see clearly on this graph, the amount of US dollars is growing exponentially. This happens because the government is printing money. And you can see that some periods really stand out. For example, if you look at this period right here, which was basically in 2020. What happened in 2020? Well, that was the COVID year, when COVID started. And when COVID started, the government printed an unprecedented amount of money. You can see the amount of money that, flew into the system was, so much. I think it was something like 40% of all the money ever created got created during that short amount of time. And you probably remember that this led to extreme inflation. Yeah, I think we pretty much had 10% inflation in US and even here in Sweden and so on and so on. But yeah, the main point of this graph is that the amount of money in the system is growing and growing all the time. But here, what does this mean for your money? Well, let me try to demonstrate this with a simple demonstration. Let's say that this circle right here is the total amount of money in the economy. And for simple reason, let's say that you own this amount of the whole economy, of all the cash in existence. This is a lot of money, so let's imagine that you are super rich, you own a lot of money. But let's say that the government then starts to print. Let's say it's during COVID right here, and the government prints, tons and tons of money. So now the total amount of money in the economy is not this red circle anymore. Now it's this orange circle. And as you can see, your amount of money is still the same. But if we compare your part to the full amount of money, you can see that your piece of the whole pie is much, much less. Or in other words, your money has lost value. And this is very important to understand. When more money is printed, prices will naturally go up. And you probably noticed that, for example, especially during COVID. But also if you look back, far back in time, you will notice that everything was just so much cheaper back in 1960, right? The prices go up all the time, and that is because the amount of money is going up all the time. And the only way to protect yourself against this reality is investing. Investing is the mathematical way to beat this hidden tax. And yes, I call inflation a hidden tax because that is basically what it does. It makes your money worth less and less over time, but at the same time it happens so slowly and steadily, so you don't really realize it. From day to day you don't realize a lot, but if you look at large time periods, you will see that your money have lost tons and tons of value. So this is much more sneaky compared to, for example, a tax. It's very obvious if someone decides to increase your tax from 20% to 30%. That is very clear and everyone sees it. But if the government just increases the rate of money printing a little bit, that is something you won't notice on a day-to-day basis, but over time it will eat up your money. But alright guys, so now let's jump back into Google Gemini, because now I want to share my next prompt. And what I want to do with this prompt is to show you guys the effect of 5% inflation. So what I wrote here is, if average inflation is 5% per year, exactly how much purchasing power will $10,000 lose in 10 years? Or to make it more clear, we can actually choose 20 years here if we just leave it in a checking account. And one thing I really like about Gemini is that this model is very good at creating a sort of interactive visualizations. So I'm also gonna write, create an interactive visual to help explain the concept. Now let's press enter, wait for the model to think, and I will be right back soon. Alright, so the model is now done thinking, and you can see that first of all it show how it made the calculations. So if you are into math, you can read all that. But what we are mostly interested in right now is the calculator we asked for, or the visual. So as you can see right here, we can actually choose the initial amount. So you can see if we start with 10,000, so let's start with 10,000 US dollar, and if we have an inflation rate of 5 here, and we have 20 years, here you can see a demonstration of how your money is losing value. So for example, after 10 years here, your money has gone from 10,000 down to 6,000, and after 10 more years your value has gone down to only 3,769. And this right here is the harsh truth of inflation. If you are not investing your money will lose value all the time. And if we, for example, let's say that we increase the inflation rate to the rate we had during COVID, which was almost 10%, then you can see that this looks even more brutal. During these 20 years, if you only had your cash under your mattress, the value of this cash would go from 10,000 all the way down to 1,500 US dollar. So I hope you can see right here that if you don't want to lose all your money, you need to invest your money. That is the only way to protect your money from this harsh reality of inflation. But right, so now you guys know that in order to not lose all your money to inflation, this video was just a very short clip from our full investing course right here on YouTube. To watch the full course, all you need to do is to click or tap on the screen right here. I hope to see you all over there very, very soon.